Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem. In the first step, go to search bar and type here task manager. Then click here to open it and then go to run new task, select browse button, then go to this PC, open C drive. Now we need to open Windows folder, and in the Windows folder we need to open system32 folder. Scroll down and here it is. Double click on it to open it, and here find out cmd.exe file. Keep scrolling down and you'll get here. Select it and click on open. Now check this box, create this task with administrative privileges and click on OK. Once we are here, we need to execute the command. So type all these commands carefully and hit enter to execute them. Type in dism space / online space / cleanup dash image space / restore health and hit enter. So this will take some time to complete the process. It's depend upon your computer configuration, how fast it is, and around 5 to 10 minutes. Till then, just go to search bar and type here services and click here to open it. Once we are here, we need to just press W and you will get your Windows Update. Right click on it, select properties and select startup type as disabled. Then click on apply and then OK. Once done, simply close this window. Once done, we need to execute the next command, that will be sfc space / scan now and hit enter. So this will take a lot of time to complete the process, and you need to complete this, and after that simply restart your system. You can also check out our description link or pinned comment to fix this issue quickly and effectively. That will be a better way to fix this issue. And yeah, don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.